They make a bit of noise, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, look. Oh, this is honey? Honey?
Yeah, that's all nectar.
Yeah.
Pupunta kami ng kapitbahay. Nag-ayos pa talaga siya ng, ng kanyang sarili. Andun, mga kapitbahay kami. Ahaha. Tapat lang ng bahay namin. Kaya nang dati, ito yung aming harapan ng bahay, ang aming paligid. And Jessie. Oh, what are you doing? Huh?
Come on.
Okay.
One for you, one for me.
Okay, you first. For being nice daw.
Andito kami sa kanilang mga tupa. Mga tupa. Natakot ang tupa. Where's the baby? There, it's there. Where's the baby? No. How many drum? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Where? There's 4? Oh, really? Ito yung balkonahe na ginawa ni Charlie, oh. And this one.
How often do you look?
Every 14 days or so.
Okay.
So, in this season.
Yeah.
Really?
Peak season. Yeah. Yeah. You're
Don't
going to
video
be
me.
on YouTube. Well, so glamorous.
And then?
And then, yeah, you just watch Tanya's lead.
Oh,
Yeah, good.
How about my hand?
Oh, keep them in your pocket.
Oh, yeah, I've got some
Gloves. Yeah. And
Wow. Hello.
Jessie, you can't go in. You'll be very unhappy dog.
Look.
Yeah, you look the part.
Yes.
You're 2XL.
They build up their numbers, and if they think that the hive is getting too crowded,
Yes.
then they'll get another queen, and the existing queen will leave the hive. And
She gets
with
ousted.
half to eat.
Ah, with it.
So that's swarming, yeah.
Yeah, you don't want that.
No. So I've got to make sure that any queen cells that I see,
You exterminate?
get rid of.
Yes.
Queen cells. That's why I've got 14 days to do it again. I'm scared.
No, you'll be right. So what's the smoke for? What's the smoke for?
And then they're so fat,
They can't
they
leave.
don't go.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, it's ready.
Look like moon suits.
Yes. Oh.
Yeah. How many times have you done this one?
How
Many.
times have I
Many.
checked? No, I'm
Yes.
only up to about.
Paano
probably about
manguha ng
like
honey?
Fourth time?
Manguha kami ng honey. Honey.
Yeah. Sticky business.
Honey.
Burning?
Yes.
Yeah, it's smouldering.
How to get honey. Honey.
These are your pine needles.
Yeah. Still think IGA is easier.
What's that?
IGA is easier.
What's that?
Honey.
What do you mean?
Oh, yeah. It's good for fun.
This is fun.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's right.
I know.
Wow. Here we go.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mm.
New meaning to smoking.
Can you just keep that puffing gently for
Puffing,
me?
puffing.
Puffing belly.
There we go. Puffing Billy. Yeah, there we go. Look.
Wow, yes. Oh. Ang aming master.
Now, I do not claim to be an expert. I'm still
No,
learning.
you're
Yes,
on the learning curve.
Me too, I don't know how.
They don't do this in the Philippines, do they? beehives?
Oh, eto na ako. Mangunguha kami ng honey! 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 Wow, ang ganda ng aking outfit. Ooh.
Now, where's your gloves? I want to get close.
Yeah, you be careful.
Yeah, be
There's some
careful.
bigger ones in here.
Look,
Wow,
look,
yes.
look, look, look.
Oh,
Oh,
yep.
they make a bit of noise, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, look. Oh, this is honey? Honey? Honey?
Yeah, that's all nectar.
Yeah.
Lots of nectar here. Yeah.
They're not happy.
Oh, look.
Oh, they're not happy.
Um,
Wow.
Let's look at the bees at the front here.
Yes, yes.
At the front.
yeah.
Yeah.
And also here.
And here on the microphone.
Yeah.
And
Wow, look.
wow. So everyone's about the same, isn't it?
Yeah, yep. And these bubbly ones down here are drone cells. They stick up more, they're drone cells.
Okay.
And they need the drones obviously to mate with the queen.
Oh, get
See
away.
there, that's nectar has fallen out of the cell. And they flap their wings to evaporate the nectar and turn it into honey.
Mm. I just got bitten.
He's got his bum in the air, so his feet might be feeding.
Yeah.
They feed the little babies with nectar.
You have one less bee, Tanya.
Yeah, did you just kill one?
Yes. The one that bit me.
Oh no, you got on your head. Told ya.
Oh, I'm not on the nose. Piss off.
You better go, Charlie.
I'm losing enthusiasm. I'm retreating. So does Airguard work?
I don't know. You can try. Lots of lava in there. Haven't seen any. Right, ready?
Wow, oh, look. Oh. Ayan, ang daming bubuyog. Oh. Wow. Ibabalik na yung mga
Those
bubuyog.
ones will be alright. They'll go back in.
Ayan. Para kayong mga astronauts.
Yeah.
They are not happy.
Ouch. Ouch.
Very angry.
Ouch. Put the way, bees. Ouch. They'd probably swarm. They'd go somewhere else. Come on, out.
Ayan, paano manguha ng honey? Ayan oh, mga honey oh. Ayan, honey bee pala. Dami.